Hey, Scott Austin here. In this video, I want to show you a store redesign that we did for Electric Bike Central. They're a local San Diego bike shop, and they specialize in electric bikes. And they had an existing Shopify store using an out of the sandbox theme. Actually forget the name of it right now. And it was a pretty old theme. They probably had it in place since 2017, 2018. So I was able to upgrade to the newest version of the same theme, and then add that into their store. So now it was online store 2.0 compatible, and we were able to build out the site from there. So they're selling obviously electric bikes, and we allow the customers to shop bikes a couple of different ways. The first one is in stock bikes. Now, this Shopify store is now connected to their point of sale system. So their point of sale system is not a Shopify one, and they run it inside of their bike shop, which was where most of their sales happen. So tying that inventory to their website was a really important step for them forward in the information that they're providing to their customers online. And now customers actually can look up online, like, oh, that bike's in stock, and drive down to the bike shop and pick it up. So we have in-stock bikes is one way that customers can look at products. Another way is they can shop by brands, and they can decide which brands are important to them. Then we want to see all the Stromer bikes, and they can look at them. And they can also shop by what type of bike or the purpose of the bike. So they want to look at commuter bikes. They can see all the commuter bikes regardless of what brand they are on one page and compare and contrast them. And then we also have accessories, and different subcategories for those, and also the ability for customers to schedule a test ride. Most people want to try the bike out, obviously, before they purchase it. So here we just have a Calendly invite set up, and they can look at the calendar, find an available spot, schedule it, and then go down to the bike shop and do a test ride. And we also talk about the services and repairs and maintenance that the bike shop does. And then if you look at the About Us, they've got a nice video they did here in local San Diego environment. They got photos of the shop and all that good stuff. And if we look at the other page I want to show you here is Contact Us. On the Contact Us, we bring in their Google business listing. And then we also show the video again that's on the other page, the About Us page. And there's one other one I wanted to show you. I think it's on the test ride. We actually brought in their store. So in their Google business listing, they have a 360 navigational, navigatable thing. I don't know what we call this thing, but you can see here, right? We can blow that up to full scale, and people can look inside the store and see the different bikes and how things are laid out and all that good stuff. Not that people are going to use this that often, but I thought it was fun to really and easy to use the Google business listing embed functionality to embed this 3D map or whatever we call it. So now let's go back to the products, because that ended up being the most important part, the bikes for this store. So if I look at Stromer, for example, they're a bike company out of Switzerland. And what these bike companies do is they do a great job of creating assets. So we went to the Stromer website and just started downloading all the content that we could off the website. And you can see we have videos. We also have lots of images and content copy. So we just downloaded everything they had and figured out the way to lay it out inside the store, and we did this for all the bikes. So all the bikes now have much richer product pages, and in online store 2.0, using sections anywhere capability, it was easy for us to add just tons and tons of different content elements inside of each of these product pages. And you can see we even have text sheets that can download PDF files and read more information. So now, across the entire inventory of their bikes, there's a lot more information for customers to learn about the bikes without having to go back to the manufacturer's site and maybe forget where they were at. So this has been important in customers becoming more educated before they ever show up inside the bike shop, because there's tons of information and research they can now do on the website for each of the bikes. So that was the store redesign we did for Electric Bike Central. Thanks for watching.